Your passport isn't just stamps and pages. It's a collection of moments, each one its own currency. Some you spend on the electric pulse of city nights where Lamborghinis paint light trails through glass canyons. Others you invest in the whispered stories of Roman ruins where time itself feels liquid. But the richest moments, those you save for places where luxury meets serenity. Maldives resorts, floating like dreams above crystal waters. Bali beaches where palm trees frame infinity pools of sky. Yacht decks where sunsets become private galleries, painted just for you. From aerial views that make you feel weightless, to balcony selfies that capture not just your face, but your wonder. This is travel reimagined. This is your world, elevated.